Hello everybody. It is Sunday and I am just waiting on Mr. Bob to finish his morning routine, although it is lunchtime, but we slept in because we could. Anyway, we are going to head to, and this is a really bad angle, I should be like this. Okay, we're going to head to Costco and do some shopping, get some necessities, and then I think we're just having a relaxed chill day because it's 2026. As I said last week, it's the year of chaos. So anyway, that's it for right now. I will be working on this blanket and trying to, in my ideal world, get this done today, but we'll see what happens. And we'll see how far I get. I'll be back. Hello everybody. So it's after lunch on Monday. I haven't picked up the camera yet because honestly, I wanted to sleep in, and so I did. And then when I did get up, I just took my time getting dressed and all that stuff. I did film the playing with drawing video for this week. So that's done and I need to edit it. The vlog is also loaded to the computer and ready for editing. What I've been doing is working on another sort of unfinished object. So a while back I saw a couple of videos about this different way to do a glue book. I won't call it a new way because with my luck, it's been out there for a while. I really loved the idea though. I don't have a lot of punches anymore because I'd never used them, but I do love my big kick. I do have one. And I have some postage stamped shaped dies. So I have been cutting out from my collection of collage materials, stamps, and to use in my glue book. So I am going to be spending a bunch of time I pulled out a bunch of images. So I'm going to be spending a bunch of time doing that today and getting that ready. We will be doing a separate video on that, but I am having a blast, you guys. A blast. All right. But it is time to stop and have lunch. And maybe put my hair up because I'm getting hot, cranking the big kick. All right, I'll be back. It is after 7 o'clock. It's like 7:15 or something. Mr. Bob had to work late. I got everything prepped for our glue book video and stuff we're not going to use cleaned up and put away. I also got some good progress on the giveaway blanket I'm working on. I didn't get it done yesterday, but I didn't really think I would. But I might get it done tonight. If not tonight, tomorrow. Anyway, tomorrow is back to our regularly scheduled program of babysitting. They come back late tonight. Tomorrow they'll pick up the dog, drop off the kid, all the things. All right, that's it for the minute. We're gonna go get some steps in and then have some dinner. I'll be back. It has been a hot minute since I picked up the camera. 1 day, 2 days, I don't know. But I have been crocheting this mushroom pattern. And it is from Critter Stitch. This is the pattern here. I'll try to find it and link it below. I believe I bought it on Etsy. And I wanted to try making him. It wasn't a super hard pattern, but I don't think it's beginner either. I think it's maybe an intermediate pattern. How cute is he though? I mean, his head's a little bit heavy. I might add a couple extra stitches in, but yeah, he's pretty cute. So anyway, I just finished him. Next, I will be working on the glue book, and then later on after work, we'll go for a walk. It's going to be kind of a quiet week, which is probably good because next week's going to be very busy. We have the grandson like 4 days next week, 3 days, something like that. I don't know. His daycare is closed, so he'll be with Oma extra. Oma's not complaining about it. All right. I think that's it for the minute. I'm going to go get everything cleaned up, put my lunch dishes away, all that stuff. And then we'll get started on the glue book. I'll be back. Glue book stuff video is done. But as I said in the video, which again will come out shortly, I really love this way of chunk journaling, glue booking, whatever you want to call it. This is very therapeutic for me, at least. And yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. So anyway, it's got me thinking. It's got the gears moving. All right, I got a bunch of woobles for Christmas from everybody, all the kids and everybody. So I'm going to print some more patterns, try to get a few more of them done and in the next day or two. And yeah, and drink my vitamins. I haven't done that yet. And it's already almost 3 o'clock. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay. Yes, I'm in short sleeves. Yes, we're outside. We're going to go for a walk. You wouldn't know it's March in Oregon. It's usually colder than this.
64 degrees out.
It's nice out. I'm not going to complain. Anyway, neither of us really want to go walking, but we're going to go anyway and at least get a few steps. Maybe do the loop or something. I don't know.
We'll go up and go around.
Okay. And then we'll have dinner. Anyway, I really enjoyed working on the journal page today. I did a second one. I'll put the picture here. I really like this way of doing a glue book. I also fixed my favorite walking shoes. I can't find them anymore. The manufacturer makes a similar shoe, but not the same shoe. Anyway, I could buy new shoes at $50 a pair. But the outside of these shoes and the bottoms are fine. It was the insoles that were all worn out and messed up. So I got new insoles and cut them to fit. And now we're good. I've got them on. $5 a pair. That's a better deal than $50.
$5 extensions.
Yeah. So I'll make them last a little longer before I have to go buy new ones. Anyway, we're going to go get some steps in and I will be back. Hello, everybody. It is Friday afternoon, March something. Hold on. March 20th. No babysitting today. No family dinner night today. We're doing it tomorrow. So I could sleep in, which I did, and take my time this morning now. I am loving this new way of doing my glue book or journaling. Loving it. So we're going to work on a couple more pages. I did spend a bit of time this morning punching some more shapes out of the little bit of scrapbooking paper I still have in my stash. I do still have some. And yeah, so I used some of that up today, which I'm loving. All right. I'm going to listen to some random TV shows I like watching while I'm doing this. And I'll get some clips for you. And we are going to just get to gluing. Well, maybe gluing, maybe using those. I'll be back. Last couple hours just working in my glue book, and I can't say I'm mad about it. I haven't used my little Xyron sticker maker thing in a long time. I forgot why. So after you make the stickers and you put them down, it does leave a little bit of sticker residue showing around the item, and it kind of, can you hear that? Makes things slightly sticky. If you know any way to deal with that other than rubbing the crap out of it, let me know. I make it a little baby powder and a soft brush and just brush it with baby powder. I'm thinking that would be interesting, but I have enjoyed this very, very, very much. So anyway, it's time to brush my hair out because, yeah, and then I need to work on some crochet. I'm working on the Woobles Scooby-Doo set for Mr. Bob. I've done the Mystery Machine. I've done the Scooby Snacks. I've got to do Scooby next and then Shaggy. So I'm going to do Scooby tonight, tomorrow, something like that. Anyway, all right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. I figured out how to get rid of the sticky. I took a small fluffy paintbrush and some cornstarch, and I very lightly dusted all the pages with it. No more sticky. And you can't even tell that I did it. Yeah. So, anyway, glad it worked. But I need to stop for now and do something else because otherwise I'll keep going all night. I do love that style of glue booking. It's really cool. All right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. Glue booking, is that a thing? Glue booking? I don't know, but maybe we should make it a thing. Maybe. Okay, good morning, everybody. I think it is still morning. Let's see. Yeah, 10:40 a.m. on Saturday, the 21st. I'll be babysitting today. The kids are definitely moving. Okay, anyway. What was I saying? The kids are definitely moving and buying a new house, so we will be helping them out a lot in the coming days and weeks. And how much creativity I'll be able to squeeze in, I have no idea. I will be babysitting little Mr. Extra. His daycare is closed next week, so there's a lot going on. But we'll make it work however we can. And yeah. I have a few minutes of peace and quiet this morning before I am babysitting today, so before that happens. And I had to do some retirement paperwork stuff because we're planning and working with a financial person for that. And I got it done, so yay! My hair's extra crazy today. I don't know. We're just gonna ignore it and pretend it's not happening. I don't know. All right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. Does that look any better? I don't think so. I'll be back. Everybody, all right, it is the end of Saturday, end of the week. I just got the Scooby-Doo set from Woobles done. For Mr. Bob, and I will put a picture here. Turned out super cute. You know, one of the reasons I like making the amigurumi is they just make me laugh. They make Mr. Bob laugh too. And, you know, they're fun to make. So anyway, spent today babysitting, celebrating adopted daughter Jenny's birthday. So it was all good. Crazy, but good. Doing paperwork. Anyway, I hope you guys have had a good week. I know I have. Now that I finished the Scooby-Doo Woobles set, now I kind of want the Star Trek one. Mr. Bob is a Scooby-Doo fan. I'm a Star Trek fan, so there's that. Not Star Wars, Star Trek. Anyway, that's it for this week. And listen, I think 2026 is the year of chaos. That's my theory. But if I can still find time to be creative, so can you. It may only be 5 minutes here and there. Maybe I get one of these new art journal pages done here and there. A little bit of crocheting late at night, like tonight, because it's already almost 11 o'clock at night. But whatever it is, if I can do it, so can you. Take time to make yourself happy, to make yourself smile, do what you love, spend time with family. We did that tonight. And all of those good things. The chaos is still going to be there when all is said and done. And you know what? There's nothing we can do about it anyway. Anyway, that's it for this week. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do leave them down below because I do address all of them. And ways to support the free content are in the video description and all that stuff. But the most important thing, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.